welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be trying on a new wig, and this wig is one that I just got today from seniorvirginhair.com, and this is the unit right here, and it came nice and neatly wrapped in a little baggie, and it shipped DHL, and I got it relatively fast. So this is the hair. This is like a 14-inch Brazilian human hair bob. So we're gonna go ahead and get this baby tried on and styled and see what it's talking about. Now I've reviewed similar wigs to this one, but this one seems to be a little shorter, and this looks like what I've been wanting. I've been wanting like a perfect like shorter bob that kind of hits like right in here, somewhere in there, you know. So though I know I can cut it and style it to my liking, but I opted for this one again in hopes that this will be the perfect wig. But this is how it looks. Standard construction. You have ear to ear lace, adequate parting space. It does come already kind of pre-parted for you, but you know you can restyle it, repart it however you like, and it is pre-plucked. I really love that about units these days, girl. I love that they're coming pre-plucked. Girl, that means that it's going to look a lot more natural around the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on. We're going to tuck my plaits in. I just got finished washing it, deep conditioning, and slathering castor oil on my braids, my plaits, or what have you, to keep my hair hydrated. Because you got to keep that hair hydrated, girl. You got to keep it hydrated. Alright, so I'm going to tuck these little plaits under just like so. And this is how I always do my hair when I'm wearing wigs, and it works. So this is how flat it looks and how it gets when I do my 4-plait method. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put it on. Now, I normally go ahead and cut my lace first, but for the fun of it, because all the other YouTube girls do it, we're going to do it too this time, okay? We're going to see how this method works. Because like I said, I've always pre-cut my lace. I want to see if this makes a difference, which I don't think it does. I think it's more of personal preference. Ooh, and this cap is like perfect. It fits all snug and things. But yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. Let's get all up in there. How does it look? How does it look? How does it look? Alright, so I'm really loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. I think it's really nice. It's a great everyday wig. I can see me styling it in different ways, putting a little body in it to make like a messy wavy bob look. Some of my favorite ways to wear my hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and I'll be right back. Back with my lace cut. OMGG, guys, this is the most natural looking wig I've ever placed on my head. Look at this. The length is just perfect. The density of this unit is perfect. This is the perfect everyday wig. Perfect for work, perfect for play. You can do a lot with this. I know you think like, oh, it's probably a little too short for me. I think it's short. You can do a lot with this length. This is so pretty, especially like with a messy bob look with a few light wand curls in it and shake it out. Girl, this thing is beautiful. So much potential. I am loving it. I love it just like this. It's just a regular everyday just put it on and go type unit. It looks sleek, clean, fresh, just beautiful, effortless looking natural hair. I just love it. Let me show you some side view, girl. Now it does have a lot of different lengths and layers to it. I could have did without that. I wish the hair was just like all one length. Now that would be perfect. But because it has all of these layers, it'll look really pretty with more volume and curls in it, if you know what I mean. But I love it. Let me show you the back. But for the price, girl, there is no complaining. For a human hair unit of this density, girl, this is perfection. So affordable. So be sure to check out Senior Virgin Hair. The link will be down below in the description box to get your hands on one of these units, girl. I am absolutely loving this hair. So soft, so manageable. I absolutely love it. Girl, it's cute. It is so cute. I am pleasantly surprised by it. So I highly recommend checking out the website. Alright guys, that is it for me. Let me know what you think of my little just everyday bob look. I just think this is the most simplistic look, the most natural looking bob ever. So cute. This is perfect for work. Just perfect everyday wig. But yeah, that's it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.